Hello dear fans. How to quickly learn the alphabet. In preparation for school, parents have to actively engage with the child. For admission to many educational institutions, children must already pass a special exam. It is understood that by the age of 6 to 7, the child should know such basic things as numbers and letters, and sometimes you even need to be able to read. Instructions. Step 1. In order to quickly learn the alphabet, you need to have some kind of visual aids and examples. It can be helpful to hang some posters of the alphabet and draw the child's attention to the funny pictures. You can draw posters with the letters of the alphabet yourself on a Whatman paper. Step 2. To learn the alphabet faster and more effectively with your child, you can buy or make yourself cards with letters. As a rule, in commercial sets there are many different images for the same letter, and it will be more fun for the child to search among them for the studied one. It will also add variety to the lessons. Step 3. Songs will help you learn the alphabet faster. You can come up with your own motive by superimposing the letters of the alphabet on it, or find it on the internet. Enter songs about the alphabet in any search engine. Sing songs with your child, having the alphabet in front of your eyes. The internet also offers interesting video tutorials on learning the alphabet. Step 4. To better memorize the letters, you can make them yourself. For example, make from plasticine, clay, cut out of colored paper or cardboard. It is easy to find popular plaster masks with letters and funny animals in the store. Blind first, then paint. Step 5. You can arrange games with crafts, drive letters to each other on a visit, trying to form words, or hide the letters in the house for the child to look for them. And after the baby finds and pronounces the letter correctly, reward him with a sweet or a gift. Step 6. Use whatever visual aids the children like. Stickers and coloring pages with letters applications are well suited. You can buy a magnetic board with letters, cubes. Go back to repeating the alphabet several times a day, sing the songs again and pronounce the letters as you play. It is very important to show imagination, because monotonous activities can very quickly get bored with a child. Thanks for watching.